Welcome to A Moment with Rukwaro. I'd like this afternoon to discuss on the challenges which you are likely to face if the firstborn man marries the firstborn lady or a woman for that matter. What are the challenges? Because it has been said that when firstborns marry, there is likely to be a lot of challenges in marriage. What are the reasons? One is the aspect of the leadership and control. Firstborns often assume leadership roles within their families at a very early age, and they prefer to take charge. So now, when they get into marriage, there is likely to be power struggle as to who is going to be in charge of decisions and directions. So, in the ensuing control, it creates a lot of tension within the marriage. Second, high expectations. As firstborns, they might set very high standards for themselves and each other, and this can lead to stress and tension. Remember, with the firstborns, the parents have very high expectations, they set very high standards for them, and so when they come to marriage, they are still having very high standards, and so their demand sometimes is very unreasonable, and you find that the wife or the husband may not be able to match with the demand. The other aspect is the responsibility overload. Both partners, the husband and the wife, may take an excessive responsibility, potentially leading to burnout or neglect. They might just overburden themselves. They might overwork themselves because they want to perform, they want to get results, and on the process, they end up having burnout. Number 4, there is also the aspect of parental pressure. Firstborns often bear more family expectations. Their parents might exert pressure or have strong opinions about their marriage and their life choices. This one ends up causing a lot of stress to them because of the expectations of the parents. Then there is the aspect of the parental styles. When they became parents, their similar upbringing and expectations might affect their parenting styles, which they are going to practice when they come to their children. So they tend to be rigid or end up having conflicting parenting styles. So there is a conflict, there is a struggle between them, because each of them, the husband and the wife, they are trying to bring their styles, the parenting styles, which they underwent. And so sometimes they may not be liberal enough to discuss. Then there is the aspect, sixth, there is the aspect of the communication issues. Strong-willed. Firstborn are strong-willed, and they are being used to be in charge. So because of this mentality of feeling to be in charge, they are not able to compromise or to be effective communicators. And so this one end up having tension in the family. So what am I trying to say? Firstborns and firstborns marrying, many times there can be a lot of struggle. And in summary, it is because of the aspect of the leadership and control, high expectations, responsibility overload, parental pressure, the parenting styles which they have inherited from their family of origin, and finally, the communication issues. Otherwise, thank you very much for listening to me. I am Mutia Rukwaro, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you.